Welcome back. In previous lectures, we accessed object data directly, like s1.name equals something. While Python allows this, it violates the OP principle of encapsulation, which states that internal data should be protected. The standard solution is to use getter and setter methods to control how attributes are read and modified. 1. Defining the setter. A setter, or mutator, is a method used to modify an object's attribute. We define set_id, which takes the self-reference and the new _id value. The key advantage is that we can now add validation logic. Here we check if the new _id is a positive integer before actually assigning it to self.id. This protects our object's data integrity. 2. Defining the getter. A getter, or accessor, is a method used to retrieve an object's attribute. We define get_name. This method simply returns self.name. We can also use the getter to perform operations on the data before returning it, such as converting the name to uppercase, providing a layer of abstraction. 3. Using the getter and setter. We create a student object, s1. When we call s1.get_name, we receive the uppercase version demonstrating abstraction. When we call s1.set_id with 999, the assignment is successful. However, when we try to pass a negative number, the validation fails, and the ID remains unchanged. This shows how encapsulation protects the object's state. To summarize, getters and setters are vital for writing robust OP code. They prevent direct attribute access and allow control over data. Our next lecture 16.08. Define instance methods. See you there.